disappointed sound boy, turning into dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Pride, TEK 9 for leave the competition. King Trendsetter for leave the competition. DJ Stinger for leave the competition. Alright, so the elimination, DJ Stinger has been eliminated. It's now down to 3. So, okay. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is another elimination round. Yes, we'll make a administration judgment based on time restraint. So we'll just go through some elimination rounds. Alright? So every round from here on out is elimination round. Alright? So, again, back to full charge. Remember, you can be disqualified if there is a profanity that speaks on the mic. No profanity on the microphone. I remind you guys, no profanity on the microphone. Your song is all good and dandy. This round is another 10-minute round. Alright? Ladies and gentlemen.
A knockout?
Straight vocal. Yes. Straight vocal. Meaning peer singers. No sing J. This round is another knockout round. DJ Quest and the Disruption family is up first.
Alright. We'll get with our one person out of place. You understand? Listen tonight, people. You know I can't do my thing already, you know. I can do my thing. But sometimes I share with my friend them. You understand me I say? So I call on Dapper early on. You understand? Our next person who may go call up on the stage, we're up on the stage already. You understand? Goes by the name of Amster. You understand? Everything good enough. You understand? Everything is groovy, everything is great. But that's an interest of my friend them thing. You understand? Amster, come talk to the people then.
Yo, Miramar, big up on yourself. Big up every God bless people in the house, you know. Let me add just one thing. Mega, you keep saying you're a Florida defender. Hey boy, give the big sound them praise. Big up Innocent, big up Rhythm Force, big up Poison Dart. You're not a defender. You win one little clash and the next clash your girl beat you like a stepchild. Right now, when the real gangster themselves, we're going to start the way I quest. Play the one here.
Vice Man's representing for Disruption Sound alongside Danger Marcus. We respecting the Kwame, Hamster, big up yourself, Ian Links. Jugs Love. Watch him.
So right now, when the God bless people them there. Ready? Now you tell your Martima. Ready?
Disruption Sound of the dope shot for kill sound guy. Yeah.
What line there?
Every
minute they got play a sound, he run and go. Hey boy, I got a gym and I see you wait up. Diabetes soon kill you. Everybody will take care of their health. Give me a bad finger. You're tired, boy.
Somewhere you're tired.
You're tired.
And this is no competition.
If you defend Florida, your big gut make you drop out by your breath.
What
on there?
Some boy, you should go home. Yeah, go mind you pick me, yes.
I pay a jacket again if you don't know pick me. All of the God bless people, they're ready now.
Disruption, I'm gonna kill them now. Hey, am I gonna kill them now?
All I want to dance a long time. Let me hear the sing for the one here. Ready out.
Disruption, I'm gonna kill them now. Before it's get too late.
All I want to dance a long time. Early 2000.
But tell us sound to wait.
know. Super sound, pick up on yourself. Whatever sound on the building, make we turn on.
Somewhere, listen. Bet you didn't know disruption would have killed you. Idiot sound boy. Bet you didn't believe.
Hold on there. Mega. They say a coquette every time you smell ganja. You cry if you short of breath. All who say Father God you deal with a no foreign substance to your body. When the God bless people, they give me some lighter.
Simon Sheldon Jr. I'm big up all.
When the God bless people, them there, we see some lighter in the ear.
So me I say,
when the ganja man them there.
oh Lord there.
Bus.
Coming at ya.
Ready.
There are lots of signs in life. Some that you may not like. You could be living this minute, the next minute you're gone away. Hold up your head, disruption. Deconscious night disruption. And by your words you shall shut.
Mega me not stop beat you ugly fat frog. They ask Mega if do a clash of Fort Lauderdale. Mega tell him say he want $15,000. And when they call him Dugga because he feel like he can beat every sound he run come with it. Greed itself. And boy, Mega, me I tell you this, stop playing hide and seek with the bad sound. Right. You know I catch the bad sound there. And boy, we catch you tonight, no more running.
Well, we have no friend. Some boys are playing hide and seek. Run, come, face the feet. Some boy about to try.
You see tonight, the boy not get where they not get where.
Them boy them afraid of we.
All I love reggae music, good reggae music.
Come down some party.
You see tonight.
Boys in the dance, boys tonight. Boys in the dance, boys. Disruption kill the sound boy.
Worries tonight.
Boys in the dance, Mr. Worries.
Voila. Let me intro the song here. We first voice a song and some sound, run the voice here and catch it. I want everybody to listen. Take out to the phone and record the quality of that song. Any sound of the airplane is for dub. Them follow we are the best cut in the world. Play it.
You know, anywhere we play, mighty disruption.
We want to hear the quality of that song.
Our song is a little noise nuisance, but we are a massive disturbance. JC Lodge here for Big Up Hamster, DJ Quest, Danger Man.
TEK 9 here, fake sound, the real one in New York.
Massive. When we done with you, no sir.
Everybody listen for that dub here.
Oh, yeah. Disruption take your life. Every minute, Alex.
We do a TEK 9 for being Indian youth from New York. Not you, Charlie Pride.
I want you to know. Mighty disruption.
Say you, Charlie Pride.
Like every boy down, murderer. No one knows you, sound boy. We have a massive choice. Are you still just a play with toys?
Charlie Pride. You talk about you're a defending champion. You're a defending champion. You're lucky win last year because of bad sound not there. You're dead tonight, boy. I'm going to tell you this.
Yeah.
Well, man, young man. All I want to dance a long time.
Loves the sound killer.
Well, man, young man. Jump on. Give it up. You can't find a selection. Give it up. Your sound is a jump on. Give it up. You can't find the dub plates. Give it up. Your sound is a jump on.
Give it up, tight nine.
We're not supposed to brag, but
hold on there. Big up the sound man them were there. I'm going to big them up. Flicker, big up yourself. Goggles, big up yourself. Must big up yourself. You see me I come. Some work, big up yourself. All I sound man them in a force. You see them sound man there? Them a weed man. Mega ya crooked.
Full glass. Marcus and Chinsu represent.
What the ganja man them there in a Miramar?
And Zona Bay.
What the
He said he
ganja man?
building up a blood said of my ladies. Sipping in some alley with some medicine. Rolling with the disruption son please. I mean say look how we kill them. Some of them believe what them won't believe. Disruption.
What the ganja man them? Some ganja lighter.
Heard that Jamaican and Japanese the disruption rolling. Hey. Sure.
All I worry that if it's right. What the man of a love woman there?
Sure. He's a precious.
Look who I took 9 to the idiot and can't find the right song to play.
Always.
You know what causing? You know what causing for
Feel
turning
so
here?
much all night long. Still you hear the slow sound.
After we turn on his sound, in panic.
In
Panic.
oh,
You know what reach him?
soul rule dance on. For due to disruption selection. Due to disruption selection. Make sound gone in a different direction. Due to disruption selection.
What are they?
Disruption selection. Make sound meet and early destruction. Them can't play up on me, so them can't play downtown. If the simple side, the sound must fall on the ground. Due to disruption.
Pick up yourself.
Due to disruption selection, make sound gone in a different direction. Bang diddly wo, diddly wo.
Hold on there. Pick up everybody who come to support the dancehall thing, the reggae thing. A long time we are doing it. TEK 9, you have a thing here around talk about you have the best forward sound. TEK 9, your sound is shit.
2 minutes.
You see, TEK 9 and one thing me I tell you, it's like a forward sound that we have one thing. People listen to one here. Who want to listen to a singer? Listen, mega, listen, you can't cut it for yourself.
The sound them dirty
Listen.
Lift up your sound and show it outside. We know that you lose the clash. Clash getting hotter.
Right now, we have to play some song.
In the better. And we're not gonna stop it.
TEK 9 in on a use boy.
Disruption, the #1 champion sound in the world. The sound that means for the boys and girls. Ooh. Throw away your foolish stuff. Right now, let disruption take over. No matter how a sound boy try, disruption will trample them over. You can't run away and hide the blade sweet over.
All I walk a dance a long time, I love good reggae music.
You just can't change the way people feel about you.
1 minute. Aye. All who love good reggae music.
Lava, hey. Watch what you play and where you push your nose. Disruption ready to it.
Right now, we don't play some song quick.
I don't know something true. Yeah.
All who are buying to leave, blind and people.
Oh no. No. Yeah. Went away to a far land. Kill some sound in a New York. Kill some sound in a Georgia. I saw one that from out here.
Hold on there. You flop earlier, TEK 9 play wrong song. You can't come and war and come play a song for the other sound power. It don't make sense. It can't change.
Danger Marcus. Hold on.
That boy TEK 9, let me tell you this.
Disruption turn you dance on. With some barrel and power.
TEK 9, me tell you one thing.
Listen. Me say welcome by the morning sun boy. Can't come good in the evening. Well, I do some boy I go on with boy. Disruption come to give you a beating. Disruption come to show them a sign. Even sound goes in this time. Without you they fucking blind. Disruption will kill you away.
Right now, Gypsy.
Name this sound. Haven't I told you disruption sound don't fear you? Haven't I told you that Quest is the #1 selector in the town? Haven't I?
Well, big up yourself, PC. Next time when I change the rule for we not big like dance, at least call we one side and make we know. You don't pick me, you can't tell me forget me yet. A year wife, me I go to me, I'll give you a step pick me for mine.
That was Disruption, all vocal round. Of course, want to say thanks to our sponsors, WZOP, Flex TV, Dr. Barbara Sharif. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget you can still support the concession stand, the vendors that are here. It's very important that you do so. TEK 9. Okay, all right. So, ladies and gentlemen, the defending champion. I just want to remind you, don't forget, Simple the Best, Saturday, July the 8th. Mark your calendar on that. All right, it's a year-to-year event. Don't forget, Beat Them Bad Sound Clash. It's Miramar, yes, City Heat and Chronic Supreme. That's April 22nd. That's gonna Saturday, that's gonna be out there. Big up yourself, Lex. You're hearing that, for real. Ladies and gentlemen, want to remind you, don't forget Classical Soul. The date is again, June 17, right here at the Armory. That's gonna be all the works again. Last year it was nice. Stone Love, Metro Media, the whole works. TEK 9. I don't have to remind you about the drill. You know the drill. It's an all vocal round, 10 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, TEK 9.
You can't come off on my stage though.
Long time.
People! Yes, I start. Right, just so. Because you see all the little boy, I be a gimmick so now play around here. You understand? I mean say war. Remember, you know, I mean people in forward for see, you know. They no forward for see, you know. You know, I idiot boy. Let me tell you know this.
You are playing with a serious sound. Yes.
Oh, yes, sir. Hey. Yo. That's why it's not stage, that's stage, brother.
You are playing with a serious sound. Yes. TEK 9 sound will throw you down. TEK 9 is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. Yes. Yeah. It's only in the Father Admiral put his trust. TEK 9 is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All over the world.
Level. How are your name, boss, man? Are you name King Mega? Mega player. 500 cocotti. Me go play one and kill him. Come Mega, you have to go up tonight. Me and kill you.
Property. Now this one is designed for 18 and over. Over to 18 and over.
Won't you go fall up under your mama, under your mama.
Dirty Quest. Dirty Quest. When you selector, I talk about. You know how we sound and now play with boy? Eh? How bad man sound and now play with the boy?
Give me the chance to the bias shots representing for the big bad sound TEK 9. I mean, I say Rudy team, I say Charlie Pride, they don't know. No sound boy.
Parker!
Let's go.
Yes, sir! Yes, I start!
Sunday, them day. TEK 9 now last away. Well, I sent to kill jump on any day. Rudy team now last away. It's how we touch it and play a big tunes to play. Charlie Pride now last away. Well, I sent to kill jump on any day. TEK 9 now last away.
know. The man called Roddy T.
You think some player boy?
And Addy. Saying psycho hype. Same way the back rows are going easy to murder sound boy. Leave I give back and say, oh. Whoa, Tech 9. Tech 9 and kill sound.
Here's the kill.
Into the ground. Hey. Tech 9, drop back your bow. Intellect, this never go. 682, and some boys said for me. Party battery. Tech 9 make sound guy die.
None of them boy you can't kill me. None of them can't kill me tonight.
I take 9 until the end of time. Time. Take 9 until the end of time.
You know I want.
Moment. So deep, great and so new. It's not like any other. Sound. When Tech 9 sound, I play for you. And don't let it happen.
Vocal run.
It took the sound of
When you play vocal song boy, you play a song like this.
This one called T.A. High Hand. That's what Tech 9 do to sound.
So you play a song, yo.
Take on 9 only one sound in fame. Take on 9 leave one sound in P.A.I.M. Take on 9 only one sound.
Boy, Quest, good morning, go home. Go home to your boyfriend.
Head on the running train.
Go home, boy.
It's blood on the brain.
Talking on back.
Lord of mercy.
Son.
Jesus Christ. Tech 9 your noise.
Because what?
I mean, say Tech 9 you are the #1 champion sound.
Trendsetter. You're in that, you're iron balloon, boy. Tell me what to the boy.
They say Tech 9 gonna play young. Come and say massive, are you ready? Tech 9 is time of peace and a sound bomb. Come and say massive, are you ready? Tech 9 is time of another thing.
What with that?
So you reach over and witness this tonight. Tech 9 are killing with a rubber dump stand.
We are gonna
kill them. In the dance hall tonight, we are gonna murder them. In the dance hall tonight, we are gonna dust them. In the dance hall tonight, we are gonna kill them. In the sound,
Trouble.
boy, you better pack up your phone. I want to know that I Tech 9 on road. So anywhere we go, we know we'll leave our
Let me tell destruction, this guy dead already.
Say sound boy, you are iron balloon.
Iron balloon, move.
Blessed love and greetings. Yes, this is the original Jimmy Ryan.
King Beggar, sorry for you tonight.
And Charlie Price, Steve Sawyer, Lord.
Boy, you get some song tonight. Yes, sir.
It's gonna be rough, yeah. Here it is. Look out, sound boy. It's gonna be rough. Look out, drop on. I said it's gonna be tough. I'm gonna feel it in this day.
Song me there for play.
Whoa! Oh, Tech 9.
King Beggar, let me tell you this. Let me tell you this.
Yes. So, guy, this is a big disappointment. The people don't want to hear your sound no more. And now,
Beggar, let me tell you this. In our park, you know.
Tech 9 gonna kill you with all his stuff. You better know that you don't stand a chance. And we sure won't give you a blind. If you try to test Tech 9 sound. Sound boy, you know that tonight you die.
You think that's our player? King Beggar won this. Jamaica when big sound string up and we are kill sound. And people are like jump fence to forward like that. Because they're not nobody. Sound that nice. Yes.
I ain't never seen it before. Seen it before.
What?
Seen it before. Never see so many people be them defense coming in.
Alright, brother.
Them is a taking like them by the scene. Taking like them combination pieces.
1 minute. Let me shoot.
There is a message. Hit what TEK gonna play for you. Sound boy. I know a sound boy. He's a jumping sound. A jumping sound.
Shut up, you're not king. You're idiot, boy. Let me tell you this, boy.
Yes, that's all people that know the original. Don't get out of the ring and make you know say.
Shut up, play.
Jumping sound. I mean, can play them wicked original. Yes. TEK is the king and you praise ground. And no idiot sound boy can never sit up on his throne, y'all. TEK is the king and he'll sit up on the dance hall throne. And no idiot sound boy can never wear TEK crap.
Ace! Y'all talk out the liquor. 2 liquor second or whatever. But me know somebody have a dead in tonight. You understand? Over there. Who are can't violate the youth here. I remember being them body now. Say, you don't know. April 22nd of the champion. That me I talk about. See, all this.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that's TEK, the defending champion.
And I was trying to help you and plug in the charger on your laptop. You see how you're bad, man? And then, how much selector play for disruption? About 20 selector come up here. And this man have a nerve to call me fat. And him name hamster. You need one hamster wheel, boy. How you talk to? And then him say me have jacket.
What are you talking in there?
When my kids them there? When my picnic them there? When you come up here? I want to ramp with. I want to ramp with. This look like jacket. What I know? Video man, catch it like. This look like jacket. Hey boy. You're man guinea. You can't chat to me. Come off my stairs now. We're not going too bad now. Come off my stairs. What I know? Yo, this clash is not fair. I'm being honest. Hey, TEK, I don't even think you deserve 1 for 1. All who said them fit dead, who said dead again. Listen me, when I talk about vocal round, I go and beat and teach a trendsetter when I talk about. Yo, son.
Sounds have played their dubs and we so long, thinking they could test King Trendsetter, the champion song. Some folks try to convince them to run in, thinking they could win. Yeah. Then one day King Trendsetter song came passing through and play some dubs.
All who love good reggae music.
And
I want to sing out on the punchline, yeah?
It will be King Trendsetter, please can jump on for me.
How you go?
Yeah. Kid him. Trendsetter, just chop him. He won't recover. His life is over, yeah.
If you should see a someone crying, don't ask King Trendsetter, kill him. Watch him die. His heart is broken. Oh, it could be you.
Hold on, me love on here like so. If Trendsetter win the dance, win!
What now?
I want people like that!
With all the millions and millions of sounds in the world, yeah. Oh, I'm so glad that you can set and can play for me anytime, yeah. Let me see with my
You're
chest.
not dead like that! That boy, lock off your laptop! How we are go? What you say, Barris?
Kill them for me, kick and set up.
Oh, we gonna kill the sound. Hey, hey.
I know said them dead, said dead.
Won't tell them. What you want me to do, King Trendsetter? Killing all the sound for you. Yes, I'll do. Yes.
Hold on. Charlie Pride, you play this rhythm, and all you gonna forget the artist, yeah. How you gonna forget the artist upon the rhythm?
King Trendsetter, kill them. We're gonna murder sound tonight.
Yes,
Watch this. We're gonna kill you tonight, sound boy. We're gonna crush you when your keys are.
Voila. Yeah. Hey, me have to laugh, you know. Me have to laugh. Him never play that. Who play that? Don't go here, man. Una now listen. Listen, man. Smile, me a smile right now. You know why me a smile? Listen.
Some boy warm and easy. King Trendsetter run things again. Trendsetter run things again. Trendsetter run things again. We got that smile, cause we know we're winning. Tonight is a idiot killing. Trendsetter sound is gonna murder you. And you know it's true. And in a while, some boy none of you wishes will ever come true. King Trendsetter is gonna triumph you.
Hey, son. All who say Trendsetter go and say, go on in there.
Diana. No splice original. Marcia will said that.
When I talk about vocal rock.
King Trendsetter gonna kill some sound boy tonight. Trendsetter's playing in the dance tonight. We will be so happy and free. We dancing to Trendsetter's sound. You're gonna find King Trendsetter sound is real.
Oh, no, why you have combination now? Play one combination.
King Trendsetter kill some sound.
Trendsetter kill a sound boy tonight. Trendsetter gonna run them out of sight.
Well, I know.
Trendsetter is frozen in time. He's the only sound that I see.
Ready now.
And hey, all my life for you, Trendsetter. Now you're here.
What kind of idiot someone else? This is vocal round. This is Marcia Griffiths alongside Duffield. On the open on the ears and listen.
Tell her jump on this. You should have never tried this, the King Trendsetter sound. Look at jump and sound, there's no way you win. So you better say a prayer to the Lord of hosts.
Boy, disruption. It looks like you're going home. It looks like goodbye. Thank you for coming. Drive safe. Be boring. People, is Trendsetter boring? All who said disruption for lock off, say lock off. Lock off.
Trendsetter.
Hey, disruption. Disruption.
Have a look at your sound. I can tell you're gonna die. Trendsetter gonna murder from
Yo, if Trendsetter go and say, go on. Oh, yeah. Where Charlie Pride there? TEK 9. What? Yo, I can't see you. Smile. You have the goatee. What? Yo, listen to me, man. You talk about Trendsetter and our king. My artist want to tell you something.
Boom, bang! Boom, bang! I'm fasting, baby, not tonight.
You're not dead like that!
Trendsetter is the king, with a lot of doublets to call our own. Trendsetter don't play no splice dub, that's no lie. A sound like this tonight they will die.
Level. All who read Barris on the gossip.
Listen up.
If you don't want to hear Barris gossip.
King Trendsetter. No give them no break, Trendsetter. Somewhere you a shiver, Trendsetter knock it down and out. I am a true believer, cause I know what the clash is about. You're going like you a fluke, Trendsetter just chop on you, yes. You feel a trembling when you wake, you don't give no guy no break. Somewhere you a shiver, swelling up your spine, this hurting feeling. Gotta hit you all the time.
How much time?
1 minute.
Chano star. Just 1 minute, brother.
And 1 second.
No, we don't want to go. All who say Trendsetter win the class, say, go on, Mega. Promoter, give me check. Go for me check. Play that song now.
Whole second crew. Oh, poor little some guy. Trendsetter will have to say, so long. Sorry, it couldn't work out. Trendsetter won't waste precious time killing you. We've got lots and lots of big sounds to run through.
Pull up! All who say Trendsetter, they dance.
Pull up.
You know, hey, promoter, who not ramp with, man? Sure.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.